All right, now let's proceed to the next step, how we can now take this database into EasyWorship 2.7. Okay, let's close our EasyWorship 2.9. Okay, so achieving that, we are going to be making use of the profile transfer. It's just like an EasyWorship software, profile transfer, where you can transfer your database from one PC to the other or from one EasyWorship to the other. So I'll be dropping the link in the description as well. Click it and download it. All right, so let me open it. This is what I'm talking about, EasyWorship profile transfer. Okay, now you're going to double click it. You will see two options: export profile from EasyWorship, import profiles into EasyWorship. Now the first thing we are going to do is to export profile from EasyWorship. That is, we are going to export the EasyWorship 2.9 profile first. Okay, so you are going to tick this one, export profile from EasyWorship. Tick it, click next. All right, okay, select each profile you want to export. All right, so we want to export the 2.9. You can see this is the 2.7 to 2.9. This default right here is a 2.9. Click it and select next. All right, so select the location where you want to export it to. So you're going to browse. Okay, you are going to create a folder. So let's just minimize this. Window D, let's press Window D, go to your desktop, create new folder there, new folder. I can name it EasyWorship 9 profile. EasyWorship 9 profile. You can see this is what we created. All right, okay, let's go back to what we were doing. Okay, now the folder we created, we are going to select that folder so that we export the profile into that folder. Okay, so go to your desktop. Let's go to this PC, desktop. You can see the name right there, EasyWorship 9 profile, EW9 profile. Okay, select it and hit OK. All right, now we've selected the location. Now click next, export, click export. All right, so the profile has been exported completely. This folder we've exported, the next step now is to bring it into EasyWorship 7. So you are still going to open that EasyWorship profile transfer. This is it right here. Now double click on it. Let me bring it here. Okay, this time around we are going for import profile into EasyWorship. Click it and now select next. All right, so select the location to import from. Okay, so now remember the one we exported is what we are going to select. So click browse and go and locate it. This PC, let's go to my desktop, and this is it right here, EasyWorship profile. You can see it. Click it and then hit OK. All right, so click next and then select this one, select each profile you want to import. Okay, so select this option right here and then click next, and then select the EasyWorship version to import profile to. Which version are you importing this profile to? It's EasyWorship 7. So tick EasyWorship 7 and select next. Now you select import. Okay, so you can see your profile have been successfully imported. So close this and let's go and open our EasyWorship 7. All right, so now you can see the pop-up message they are giving us. Would you like to import your EasyWorship 2.9 data and option into this version of EasyWorship? Yes. So you select import data, click import data and then wait for it. So you can see, just close this. Let's go to our scripture now. So you can see